Hello everyone, welcome back to Shape Me Up. Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise many of you: sushi. Often touted as a healthy choice, sushi has gained popularity worldwide. But is it really as healthy as it seems? Let's find out. 1. High sodium content. One of the biggest concerns with sushi is its high sodium content. Soy sauce, a staple condiment, is extremely salty and is often used liberally with sushi. A single tablespoon of soy sauce can contain up to 1,000 milligrams of sodium, which is nearly half of the recommended daily intake. Excessive sodium intake is linked to high blood pressure and increased risk of heart disease. 2. Potential mercury exposure. Another issue is the potential for mercury exposure, especially in larger fish like tuna. Mercury is a heavy metal that accumulates in fish over time. Consuming too much mercury can have detrimental effects on the nervous system, particularly in pregnant women and young children. While some sushi restaurants use fish with lower mercury levels, it's still a concern to be aware of. 3. High calorie and fat content. While sushi can be low in calories if you choose options like sashimi or simple rolls, many popular sushi rolls are loaded with calorie-dense ingredients like mayonnaise, tempura batter, and cream cheese. These additions can significantly increase the calorie and fat content of your meal. For example, a single spicy tuna roll can contain over 300 calories and 11 grams of fat. 4. Risk of foodborne illnesses. Raw fish poses a risk of foodborne illnesses such as parasitic infections or bacterial contamination. Although sushi-grade fish is handled and prepared with care to minimize these risks, there is still a possibility of contamination. Individuals with compromised immune systems, pregnant women, and young children should be especially cautious. In conclusion, while sushi can be a delicious and nutritious choice when consumed in moderation and with awareness of its potential drawbacks, it's important to be mindful of its sodium content, potential mercury exposure, calorie-dense ingredients, and risks of foodborne illnesses. Opting for simpler sushi options, limiting soy sauce usage, and choosing reputable restaurants can help mitigate some of these concerns. As with any food choice, balance and moderation are key to enjoying sushi while maintaining a healthy diet. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into health and nutrition. See you next time.